can have something like this pond in your backyard and come out fishing after a hard day at the office. Or just stand here and look at the big views over the countryside. That's a blessing to be able to offer something like that. Hi, I'm Dennis Jones, and I want to welcome you to Stallion Meadows Estates. Come take a ride with me to see everything this gorgeous new country community has for you and your family. You know, one of the best things about Stallion Meadows Estates is that you've got 5 acres of property where you can build a real nice country home. It's pretty rare nowadays to have internet anywhere out in the country. Here we're gonna actually have high-speed fiber internet. So for folks that wanna build a house out in the country, get away from the rat race, but still have the connectivity that they have in the city, you're gonna find that out here. And we are so close to the city. I mean, we're 30 minutes from Weatherford. We're less than an hour from Fort Worth. So whether you want this to be a weekend getaway or your primary residence, you can come out here and select a beautiful home site, build the house of your dreams. And whether you want something that's going to be really thickly wooded or more wide open or a combination, we're going to have all of that. So you just need to come out and take a look. We've got 2 really nice lakes for recreation around here. You've got Lake Bridgeport right up the road, less than 15 minutes away. We also have about 30 minutes away Possum Kingdom Lake, which is one of the premier North Texas aquatic destinations. We've been in the land development for over 50 years, so you can enjoy peace of mind when you purchase your home site from us. We never put time frames on our customers, so you enjoy the freedom to build now or build later. Plus, choose your preferred builder to create the new country home of your dreams. If you come out to take a look at our property, you're not going to feel rushed. We'll spend all day long with you if you want. We just want to find that perfect piece of property. Stallion Meadows Estates is absolutely gorgeous. I'd encourage you to give us a call right away to make an appointment to come see us. This property will not last. With the excellent land financing available, it's never been easier or more affordable to own your own piece of beautiful Texas countryside. Don't wait, give us a call today at 877-888-6393 or visit StallionMeadowsEstates.com. We look forward to seeing you soon at Stallion Meadows Estates.